right? So let me explain what you have to do actually. So you can draw. While drawing, you can listen. So you know the Time magazine. So what you have to do is you have to create a cover for the Time magazine, put in your picture over there. So that is your assignment, right? That assignment actually in the practical, it's practical also. We are going to, yes.
So what is the assignment?
The assignment is, you know, Time magazine. Time magazine එක දන්නවද? Right. Okay. If you don't know, let me show. Right. If you don't know, let me show this. So this is the magazine that I'm telling. So Time magazine is a world famous magazine, right? You can see the result, number of results or there, and you can select one of the. Okay, let's take this one with the Steve Jobs face.
So we have to prepare on the Time magazine cover, no sir?
Yes, you have to prepare this using MS Word. And you have to prepare this using MS Word, right? How to do this using MS Word? So that actually I have already explained you how to format the picture. So you can use the same technique. Okay, let me show this. Right, what you have to do, apply the skills that you have gained. So through this image formatting and add your image with your future dream. Right, with your future dream means, let's say you want to become.
We have to upload that.
Yes, we will send a link to upload that to the Ed module, right? We will send the link and you have to upload that to Ed module, right? So end of this week, I'll send the link, and let's see your image is this, and you have like a border there, and then you have the release, which release, you can edit that using a text box, and environment special, this is something, the Time magazine, and the picture, then this should be picture of you and inside Steve's pad. So it has some text over there. It's in different colors. So when you're doing this, you will get some issues, like you will get questions. Then you can ask from arts in the WhatsApp group. Then I can help. Right? If you can ask this in the WhatsApp group, then I can help. When you're doing this, you will get different issues. But anyway, so please take one of these magazines. Right? My recommendation is take. Okay, let's take this one. So this is good. Let's take this one, right? So use this one as the template. You can take a screenshot of this, right? Just take a screenshot of this. And you can even Google this Google same thing. You can Google and get the same thing. But make sure to show your future. So in grade 6 also, today we did some image editing activity. And here also we did some image editing. So you can use that skills to edit this image as you wish. So if you think that you want like, okay, so let's say you want to add this to a character or separate body, you can do this. Right, let me show how to do this in MS Word.
So we have to format our future
dream. Yes, for an example, okay, here see that I have taken the face and remove the background, and I have taken another picture of a doctor. So if you want to become a doctor, what you can do is you can just take the face and merge with this one. like this. You have to write tree sample, rotate, and just you can do this using MS Word. I know it's quite difficult, but still you can. Here, right? You can just use the option that I said, that is removing background option. And if you want to add, maybe if you want to remove this part, you can just.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
මගේ කම්පියුටර් එකේ ඔය වගේ නිකන් ලියන්න බෑ නිකන් ස්ට්‍රේට් ලයින්ස් වගේනේ යන්නේ.
මොකක්ද වගේ පුතේ version එක? Word version එක මොකක්ද? Sorry.
2013.
13. It only
Yes,
draws straight lines.
Yes, sir.
So in image
Sir,
editing,
can I add that like a Time magazine cover?
sorry, I didn't get.
Sir, can I prepare it Time magazine cover?
You want to see,
Time
you want to see that?
cover?
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want picture of this?
No, sir. Can I prepare a Time magazine cover like that assignment?
Yes, you have to treat. Actually, the activity is you have to create Time magazine cover. And before actually doing that, how to put your picture, you can just edit this. So if you have a picture like this, and if you have, so please first listen, right, carefully. Otherwise, you will do something else. For an example, if you have an image, okay, let's say your image is this. Let's say. Let's say you have image like this. Let's say this is your photo. And you want to put this to the magazine cover. Let's say you want to become a pilot, right? Then you just copy the image. This is, assume that this is your picture. Copy the image, go paste it in MS Word. Edit, paste, or paste. Space icon can be after copying, you can paste it. Then go to the format picture format, and then what you have to do, go to the picture format and then crop the image and get the face only, because we need face only. Okay, now you got the face, right? So after that, if you want to merge this with some other body, so just my suggestion is use this kind of thing. Pilot, girl, tune, or you can just search pilot, girl, tune, or you can use clip art. And then you'll get some images like this. Okay. So let's okay, let's take this one. Again, right click, copy this, go here, paste it here. Now you have two images. This is the first image having your face. This is the second image. Let me reduce the size of second image also. Now you want to put this picture to this one. So go to the picture, go to format picture, go to the remove background, and then you can take the head only. Okay. Then just right click on the head, text wrap in front of the text. Reduce the size. actually you have to take a picture with. So this is not really nice because it's not angled. So better if you have to take a picture with angle, right? For the angle like or you can go to the quick style and angle this little, but it's not really perfect, right? You have to put like this, and then after that, so take both pictures. This one also, right click, wrap text, let's say behind of the text, then select both, this one, and we can group them. Group. Now it looks like a single image. After grouping, it looks like a single image, but make sure both are having so same layout, same wrapping formats. Say behind the text is okay. Right now you can see this. And after that, what you have to do is you have to apply this at this cover, border, then the image, then likewise you have to add other things, text, all these things, and make a cover. Okay, let's take this full screen. Let's take this image as a full screen image like this. Now it's larger. Let's take this face and make it larger. Should be matching with this one, right? Okay. Now, next thing is the border. Now you have this, and now you need the border, the red color border. So that is what I'm asking you to try, right? To the picture, you can add the red color border, or you can draw another shape using the insert one. You can draw another shape like this around this using the red color. Let's put shape fill to the red color, and you have to repeat that shape, copy and paste it, and just go to this color, this corner. Likewise, all four corners you can add that effect. Insert shape using square, draw the shape, add red color to it. You can see that. So likewise, you can add the border similar to this. Then the text. So that's what I'm asking you to do. You will get various questions: how to do this, how to add text. Okay, now the bottom one. Okay, now it's completed. So now next is the time, the text time, TIME. Okay, how to add this? So you can go to the insert. Now go to all are using this insert menu, right? No other menu. Insert text box. Draw text box, and just draw a text box over there and write time, TIME. So make it larger, bigger text. Okay, then but it's cutting the thing also. What you have to do is just go there, shape format, and shape fill, no fill. Shape outline, no outline, then you can see the time there. And the color, I think it's like gray color, silver color, or gray color. You can go to the font color in the home, and you can apply this gray color font. It's white, it's like silver, more silver, light. Okay. So likewise, you have to edit this. and create something similar to this, visually similar to this. Okay, can you create this? Can you try this?
excuse me sir
Yes, sir.
Yes.
මගේ
Yes, you can ask the question.
සර් මගේ කම්පියුටර් එකේ fill with areas යන්නේ only straight lines නේ
Fill
with area
with area. Okay. Yeah, Tinura, that neck and all you can remove. I know. So I have done this just to show you, right? I mean, bella tayin karama hari. Bella tayin karama එක ලස්සනට තියෙනවා. So then it looks nice. Okay, so what is the problem? Can you share the screen quickly? So I'll answer that as the last question and finish the class. Can you share the screen and show me what is the problem? ඉක්මනට share කරන්න පුතේ.
so I can't share
Now it's allowed. See again. See again. Right, you can share it. Okay, this so what's the issue? Mark areas to remove. Okay. The thing is that you are using that image පුතේ. ඒ image එකේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙන්නේ. ඒකයි case එක.
ඒ කියන්නේ sir
ඔයා ඔය time එකේ අතනින්මනේ ගන්න හදන්නේ. So then so that one actually it shows like so you have to draw this using lines and complete. Lines වලින් අඳින්නවා. Lines වලින් අඳින්න area එක. කියන වාගේ අර අඳි මේක paint වෙන එක එන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ වෙනකොට lines එන්නේ. ඒක අවුලක් නැහැ. ඔයා line ඒ කියන්නේ ඔහොම අන්න එහෙම line වලින් අඳින්න ඕන. එතකොට තමයි complete වෙන්නේ. අඩු කරන්න ඕන නම් අනිත් පැත්තට ගිහලා lines අඳනනම් හරි. So
මේ වගේ නේ sir
yeah, that's the thing. If you want to reduce, you can draw lines the other way. Mark areas to remove. කියන එක like අරගෙන minus එකට ගිහලා minus එකෙන් අඳින්න ඔය plus එකෙන් plus වෙනවා lines. අනිත් එකෙන් minus වෙනවා.
excuse me sir මේ marks මකන්නේ කොහොමද
You can delete mark and delete the marks. Or you can discard the changes and go to the back. Discard the changes and go back. Okay. All right. Okay, with that I'm going to stop today. So please do this.